Today we're going to be talking about a TC Communications case study where a transportation authority overseeing a New England metropolitan area covering approximately 1,650 square miles needed a solution to migrate their transit police radio equipment to T1 circuits. The existing circuits consisted of multiple FDDA and RTNA 4-wire analog lines, which were soon to be discontinued. The customer would lease T1 lines through Verizon to replace the old circuits. As part of the main solution, TC Communications provided the TC8614 4-wire E&M analog and dry contact over T1E1 multiplexer to migrate the customer's police radio system to T1. The network was extended over T1 circuits, spread tens of miles apart, which connected the transit police department to 10 remote sites. Several months later, the customer was able to convert their SCADA circuits easily and quickly due to TC Communications supporting the widest range of interfaces. The majority of the Transportation Authority's radio network infrastructure consisted of FDDA and RTNA circuits, which were being taken out of service. FDDA lines are a somewhat dated type of dedicated copper wire connection that have largely been displaced by fiber optic cables, but may still be used where legacy systems are in place. On the other hand, RTNA lines are used extensively in public safety systems to manage operations of radio communication and emergency services. As both types of lines were going to be retired, Verizon offered the customer T1 lines as a replacement for their copper circuits. Working with a consulting firm specializing in wireless communications, the customer ordered standalone units of our mini-channel bank TC8614 for testing with the FDDA and RTNA lines. After providing on-site training, TC engineers and the contractor's lead engineer successfully tested the TC8614 with the FDDA lines without any glitches, which led to a larger order of the TC8614 standalone units to be used in the migration. At the central site, which is the Transit Police Department, the Transportation Authority's contractor installed rack-mounted TC8614 cards to connect to a radio console over 4-wire analog lines. To connect the radio equipment at the 10 remote sites, the contractor installed one standalone TC8614 unit at each site, connecting the radio equipment over 4-wire from the front panel and the T1 line and the central site from the rear. The following diagram illustrates an overview of the aforementioned application. This system was up and running quickly with TC8614 cards at each end, and all the connected police radio equipment was communicating effectively. Satisfied with the results, the customer said they had plans to order more in the future. The following year, the customer ordered 2 additional T1 lines from Verizon to replace 2 RTNA lines and connect SCADA circuits at the substation sites in the network. TC Communications technical staff worked with the customer to ensure they had the correct equipment. TC Communications' experience with this type of system ensured quick and flawless installation. Please visit TCComm.com. You can find any of our videos by clicking the link from the homepage. You can also find information about any of our products by clicking the drop-down menu in the top right corner. You can also get in touch with us by clicking on Contact Us, also in the top right corner of our homepage. Please like and subscribe for more content. And as always, thank you for watching.